Regular calibration will ensure that your calibrator is accurate, up to date, and operates at its full potential. How often a calibration is necessary depends on the environment and how critical the process is. Once a year is a good general guideline. Placing an order for calibration or service is easy. Go to beamex.com/services. The process takes just a few minutes. You can request a quote for the services you need. We are committed to responding fast. When sending your calibrator to us, we offer express shipping options and competitive freight prices. We manage your data efficiently. Both the logistics to the lab and the service of your units can be done in a smooth way. The overall condition is checked. The calibrator is repaired if needed. The calibrator is cleaned thoroughly. This is our state-of-the-art calibration laboratory. We provide calibration services for pressure, temperature, and electrical signals. The calibration process is automated. We leave no room for human errors. As-found calibration is performed, and if needed, as left. Firmware and device descriptions are updated when needed. As the manufacturer, we know our products inside and out. Most Beamex calibrators have many quantities and ranges, each with highly accurate specifications. Your local lab might have an accreditation, but they may not have sufficient accuracy or uncertainty. A calibration certificate and a service report is issued. All service actions are listed, and pass or fail results are indicated. You can also sign up for Beamex Care Plan, which is a 3-year contract that covers the annual calibration, repairs, services, and shipments. For products that are no longer in production, you can sign up for a calibration plan that include annual calibration and shipment. Go to beamex.com/services for more information.